Grab him, pull.
Jump.
I bet you this picture's name is Drunken Ducks. Jump, 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 jump rapidly.
Papa, you're getting like an inch off the ground.
How come I didn't get those?
Grab and pull back, Papa.
Where are you ducking from the... I don't know. Just collect
Gotta
those.
get those.
Grab those.
Duck and grab.
Yeah. Get him. See, Pablo's got that.
Grab.
Oh.
Danny's
It
still
automatically
stuck.
disabled.
Oh.
Dodge it. See, it's too hard with the couch.
Wait.
Lexus is playing. Do it right.
Jeez, Alexis.
Oh. Too soon.
Oh.
Papa's doing so bad he doesn't even have a bronze.
He's tired.
You're a nanny.
The couch is totally in the way.
Yeah, it is. We need a furniture arrangement.
Okay. We'll move the left seat over here. So you can exercise. Now, there's some games that you can't do more than 2 players on.